These are the equations here. So I'll repeat once more. So for example, in the first case, we are told to say 2 to the x power is equal to 16. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. How are you supposed to do? What you are seeing here is that the bases are the numbers. The bases are the numbers, and what we are finding is actually the power. So like I mentioned, we are going to have the same bases. Why? Because what we are finding is actually, the power. If that is the case, take note. If what you are finding is a power, maybe I write this for you. So take note. So if what you are finding is the power, take note, for example, x as the power, then have same bases. Okay? The same is true if what you are finding is the base, then ensure that you have same powers. Hopefully you are getting this. So if this is done, let's look at how we answer this question here. So we have got 2 to the x power giving us 16. What you're finding here is the power, meaning we should have the same bases. How? So always we see which one of the two bases here. Which one of the two bases here is the least? It's a 12. So maintain, you should have the least bases here. So in this case, we're going to say 2 to the x. This also say 2 to the we don't know. So here use what you call inspection. What is that number such that this 2, if it multiplies itself, it will give us the 16. What is that number of times 2 can multiply itself to give us 16? What's that number, please? That's a 4. So here we're going to put a 4 here. If that is the case, we see here to say we have got the same bases. If we have the same bases, we equate the powers. Okay, so here you say same bases equate the powers. Same bases equate, the powers. If you do so, we're going to have therefore the x value there is 4. And the good part of equations is that they are always provable. If you want to prove why there is x, you're going to put the 4 here. So it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It will give you 16. You get that? That's how you go about it. So you do the same also to number 2. Okay? Number 2, the answer will be very obvious. Here, we check what you're finding is actually the power. Meaning we should have the same bases. Now we pick the least base, one of the least bases. In this case we have the 3 and the 27, and the least one is the 3. So meaning we're going to have 3 to the x power is equal to, we break down the 27, we put a 3 there to maintain to have the same bases. Then we simply use inspection. You look for the number of times, this 27 can be, this 3 can multiply to give us 27. And that is what it is. That will be a 3. It will be 3, right? So here we see that we have got same bases, you simply equate the powers and x is equal to 3. So the same is true also this one. I want you to try number 3. Okay, try out number 3. Try out number 3. I want to see how you're going to answer this one. Try out number 3. Don't use a calculator, please. Just try out number 3. Okay? Try out number 3. Let's see what you're getting, guys. Let's see.